So today I'll be showing you how to add a Google account to your Galaxy Z Flip 7. This is very simple. All you have to do is go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to accounts and backup. Tap on that. And then under that, go to manage accounts. And then you should see all your accounts here. If you have a Google account, you'll also see it here, but you can add multiple Google accounts to this phone. So tap on add account and then select Google. And then it's going to check info. And then of course it's going to ask you to verify your identity. So just going to scan my fingerprint. And then it's going to allow me to now add a Google account. So I'll just type in my Google account details, username, and now password. And then once you sign in, you'll have to agree to the terms. And then it's going to give you obviously options to back up your contacts and whatnot. So you can set that up. You can skip all the stuff you don't want, accept the other services. And now as you can see, we are signed in to the Google account. Okay. So that Google account will now be usable in the Google Play Store. You can use it in YouTube, Google Maps, and every other Google service on this phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.